So let's discuss about rabies vaccination schedule. Okay, so you can see here there are three category of wounds. Okay, one, two, three. One means there is just touching or feeding animals, or animal licks on intact skin, and two means nibbling of uncovered skin, or there may be minor scratches or abrasions, but without bleeding. You can note it without bleeding, and here there is bleeding. Okay, in category 3 there is single or multiple transdermal bites or scratches, contamination of mucous membrane or broken skin, okay, with saliva from animal legs, or exposure due to direct contact with bats. Okay, so in category 1 wound, there is no requirement of post-exposure prophylaxis, and obviously no requirement of immunoglobulin, just washing of skin surface. Okay. For category 2, where there is no bleeding but there may be nibbling or minor scratches or abrasions. Okay. So in this there is two category of patients. One category who is not immunized previously, and second is patient who have been previously immunized. Okay, so for patient who have not been previously immunized, so immediate vaccination with one of the following three regimens. So there are three regimens. So among these three you can give one regimen. Okay, so first one is two sites intradermal on day 0, 3 and 7. Second is one site intramuscular on day 0, 3, 7 and one between 14 to 28. And third regimen is two sites intramuscular on day 0 and one site intramuscular on day 7 and 21. Here immunoglobulin is not required, just skin washing should be done. Okay, and in second category of patients who have been previously immunized, there are also three regimens. You can see here three regimen. Among them you can give one regimen. First is one site intradermal on day 03. Okay, second is four sites intradermal on day 0. Okay, so if you give only one day or day 0, so you can give four sites intradermal, and every work is your job is finished. Just give four sites intradermal on day 0. Okay, and third regimen is one site intramuscular on day 03. Okay, so one site intradermal or intramuscular on day 0 and 3, or four sites intradermal on day 0. And here also you can see there is no requirement of immunoglobulin. Okay, and obviously exposed skin surface should be washed. No need to tell these things. Okay, in every wound you have to wash the skin surface. Okay, and for category 3 wound, okay, also there is two category: patients who have not been previously immunized and patients who have been previously immunized. Okay, so if patient have not been previously immunized, so you can give one of the following three regimens. So first regimen is two sites intradermal on day 037. Okay, so this is similar to this. See here, two sites intradermal on day 037. Second is one site intramuscular in 037 and between day 14 to 28. Similar to this, one site intramuscular on day 037 and between 14 to 28. And third is two sites intramuscular on day 0 and one site on days between 7 and 21. It is similar to this. Okay, so what is the difference between this and this? Here it is the difference. Okay, so immunoglobulin should be given. Okay, immunoglobulin should be given in category 3 wound. Okay, so and in second category of patient who have been previously immunized, you can give one site intradermal on J0 and 3. It is similar to this, or four sites intradermal on day 0. Okay, similar to this, or one site intramuscular on day 0 and 3. It is also similar to this. Okay, similar to this. Okay, so what is the difference between category 2 patients who have been previously immunized and category 3 patients who have been previously immunized? Say exactly there is no difference. Okay, the only difference here is in patients who have not been previously immunized, you have to give immunoglobulin, otherwise everything is same. Okay, so you have to just remember this schedule. You can remember like this. Categorize patients into two parts. Okay, who have not been previously immunized and who have been previously immunized. Okay, so for patients who have been not been previously immunized, so there are three regimens. So what are the three regimens? Two sites intradermal on day 0, 3 and 7. Okay, one site intramuscular on day 0, 3, 7 and between 14 to 28 day. One dose between day 14 to 28. And third regimen is two sites intramuscular on day 0 and one site intramuscular on day 7 and 21. Between day 7 and 21 you can give one site intramuscular. Okay, and for patients who have been previously immunized, who have already been immunized once, okay, greater than 3 months ago, so in those patients there are also three regimens. Okay, so what is the first regimen? One site intradermal on day 0 and 3. Okay, or four sites intradermal on day 0, or one site intramuscular on day 0 and 3. So you can see here also there is 0 and 3, 0 and 3, but there is extra 7 days, 7 like days 7, days 14, 28, days 7 and 21. So these are not required. Beyond day 3 there is no requirement. Okay, so up to day 0 and 3. So one site intradermal on day 0 and 3, or you can just give four sites intradermal on day 0, or one site intramuscular on day 0 and 3. And what is the difference between category 2 and category 3? Here just you have to give ravage immunoglobulin. Okay, ravage immunoglobulin is required here in patients who have not been previously immunized. Otherwise it is same between these two. Okay.